If you're like me here, where you have an active lifestyle, bunch of kids, you want to be able to go out camping, hiking, you know, even like snowshoeing, skiing, that kind of thing, you want to bring your phone with you, you need to have something to be able to protect you. Well, this is the true waterproof, snowproof, dustproof case from the folks at Sportlink. What comes here in the packaging is actually very straightforward. You got a little wrist strap, you got a little clip, you got the front and back full enclosure case to be able to lift up your lifestyle. What's great here is this is military drop grade protection and shock proof, which means it provides you up to 6 feet of drop protection. You even have a screen protector, which is even nice as well. Bringing the case up close here, showing you that it's made out of very strong polycarbonate material. As you can see, it's also uses TPU material to be able to provide you that protection here. On the back side, you can see that it's scratch resistant. It's got a nice opaque translucent case here. You can see through it, which means that your Apple logo will still go through, and it's presumably still MagSafe compatible. Coming up closer here, you've got a thicker, more robust TPU material here to be able to protect and provide you a camera guard, which is really, really nice. It's also got a little screen protector as well, which is great. The front side here provides you a screen protector on the front here. Make sure you remove any screen protectors before you go ahead and install this. This is obviously for your speaker groove as well as your dynamic island. Down here you can see that it's got a closed off for all your ports, which is great. On the other side you got the nice rubberized buttons for your power. Your do not disturb also has an enclosed button there as well as your volume rocker, which is nice. On the inside here you can see it's got the extra tooled border to provide you protection. It also has little slots and grooves, as you can see there, to be able to trap air on the inside to act as an insulator, which is really, really nice. I think this is overall a very high quality build and design. Application is pretty straightforward here. Go ahead and remove the plastic from the back side there. Then you're going to go ahead and fit your phone on the inside. Before we do so, make sure that you do unlatch here your charging port. It's the easiest way in order to be able to affix it here. Hit it with the microfiber cloth. What I like to do is I like to go from the front to the bottom, keeping this port open. Very straightforward. Push it in. It's going to press fit, which is really, really nice. Until you feel it go all the way in. There you have it. It's now secured all the way up against that. You can go ahead and close now. This is it's going to map. Let's go ahead and place the back side on here, and this is now going to snap and clamshell into place, providing you that barrier, that protection against dust, snow, water, all that good stuff. It is a hard click. There you have it. Full enclosure. That looks really great. It is very light in the hand, which is awesome. It's going to provide you that protection. It looks really, really good. In order to take it off here, you're going to use this hook or a coin, and you're going to be able to twist it and pull it right off right from there. It has full touch capability here. You can still navigate no problem through all your screens without having any issue. You can still take pictures. There's no issue with any of those pieces getting in the way. The last finishing touch is this nice wrist strap to be able to put it there in the event that you need that extra protection. You can have it here on your wrist, which is nice. Okay, this is going to be all one shot here. As you can see, we've got it completely enclosed. I've got the main screen on here. We're going to go ahead and just submerge it. You can see it's fully submerged. This is water, completely protected. Obviously, it still runs. It's got no problem. It's still running, no problem. As you can see, the camera is working. We'll go ahead and we'll take it out of its case and show you here that it's completely dry. Again, I'm not making any cuts here. The back side is completely dry. Showing you here. Nothing made its way through the case. It's quite tough, press fitted in there. It's supposed to be. There you go. You guys saw it activate my Apple Card. Untouched. My big issue is the port here, and it remains untouched, which is great. Look at that. Fantastic.